Welcome to another video. We are out at ZMax for the Charlotte National Tour. This is a pretty big event. This is a national tour. So there are over 200 drivers here among all kinds of different classes. In my class, in CAM-T, we got 7 drivers. So the competition is looking really, really good. I'm really excited. We're gonna have to really be on it, see how the car does. So the car is completely untested. I finished it up just last weekend. It's got a brand new S197 ABS swap in it, and then we got two-way adjustable rear shocks that are just set to center to neutral right now. So this will really test us to see how the car goes, and hopefully for me, it sets a precedence for how the rest of the year is going to go, you know. Like, hopefully we can get onto a really good winning streak. The car is, you know, mostly unchanged from last year. The suspension, I haven't really touched it at all, other than the rear shocks. It's completely unchanged. So I do have a really good feeling for how the car is going to behave, but the brakes, no idea. I mean, calipers are rotors and everything, so the braking is going to feel the same until we get into that ABS. So hopefully we will be able to brake deeper and harder, but we will see. So with that, let's get this car unloaded. Let's get to the racing.
And we're off for heat number 4. Going up for first run. We'll see how we can do. Hopefully things have warmed up a little bit, but there was quite a bit of spins and stuff going on at the beginning. Charles, Michael, 5794. Now things are getting rolling. Went off course. I just kind of was looking at the wrong cone as I was coming up the hill. There's sometimes a sea of cones. It happens to the best of us. So we will have to do better. We only get 3 runs as a reminder, so that's unfortunate to throw away the first one, but we'll see. 47.3. All right, going up for my second run. We're going to try to not go off course on this one because we only get 3 runs. But yeah, we've been sitting for a little bit. Got the tire blankets on there to try to get whatever heat we can get into the tires. But see what we can do on this second run. Five, 3, 6, 7. It's all right. I think that would be close to first. We'll have to see what the other guys do. Last run. Here we go. I'm sitting in second place by I think about 0.3 of a second. So in a good place, but yeah, I wanna get to that first place. It is over 2 days, so even though I'm not in first today, I could still get there tomorrow, or I could fall even further apart. So need to make it all count where we can. Quite the eclectic mix of tires in this class. We've got Bruce down here, we have the Harmons, we have 54,844. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Woo. The guy that's in first is still sitting behind, or runs behind me, so we'll have to see. But right now, we're sitting at first on day one, but only by, I think that was only like 0.2 of a second faster. So not that much headroom.
He's going to be on top by about 1/4 of a second over Jordan.
First place by 0.2. That's good gear, so. 3280.
Day number 2. I'm sitting in first place currently, but only by 1/4 of a second. So it is still anybody's game. Anything can happen at this point, but I'm feeling really good, really confident. The car pretty much picked off where I left off last year. It is feeling great, as I knew it would, because I didn't really do that many changes. The ABS is feeling pretty good. I'm not really getting into the ABS, at least that I can feel, but the brake pedal is getting a little bit longer, so I think there is some air being introduced into the system that I need to bleed out, but we will worry about that later. For now, let's go to the racing.
Day 2, run number 1. Weather is quite nice. Let's see what we can do on these ones today. for 249. So much better. We got some things that we can clean up on that for sure. Not sure where it puts me, obviously, but we'll look. It was a good start, 54 or something. Yeah, I'm unloading the rear, which is then spinning the inside tire a lot in a couple of the corners, which is I'm feeling the spin and then feeling it kind of grip up. So may try to see what we can do about that. I don't know if there's too much more different shock adjustments I can really make for that. Going up for my second run, made a few changes to the rear shocks to help with that, to hopefully help with the rear spinning the inside tire. May need to re-look at the diff, which was rebuilt last year, but yeah, maybe we need to do a little bit of things. Maybe I've fried it. We will see.
Charged into what I assume is third spot. How about Reiner? Let's find out if Reiner, there we go, 54.482.
54.482, slowed down, even though I thought that felt a lot better. I thought I held gas much later. Braking into the thing, the pedal got a little low, so I may need to try to bleed some more air out. I've been bleeding quite a bit of air out of the new brake system, and yeah, there may still be a little bit in there, because as I pushed on the pedal, it felt really good. Pushed on it harder, and it went down a little bit more.
For reviewing data in between runs, I like to use SoloStorm. It's really easy to use, really intuitive. For the data that I actually look at, I look at time delta, speed, and the accelerations. One of the other nice things that I really like about SoloStorm is being able to download other people's runs, which I'm not doing that in between runs, but at the end of an event, I'll be able to download other people's runs to compare to my own and really see where I am slower or where I am faster.
All right, last run.
All right, back to the top. Let's get these
So far at the moment, sitting in first, but not by very much. So gonna go out and see, try to throw it down a little bit more on this last run. Looked at the data, so see if we can find a couple more tenths. I'd like to get into the 53. The brakes. 53.829. Yes. Nice. So Jake's is still running behind me, so he can go, but with my lead that I had today, the lead that I just gained now, feeling pretty good. I think we can wrap this one up. Got a few things that I want to probably try to do to the car, or need to do before later in the year. I need to figure out why I'm spinning the rear tire so much. Differential was just rebuilt last year, but may need to change things up on that, make a better one.
Break.
3166. Huh?
3166.
That can't be right.
We're rolling back just a little bit. I think he's on it.
What?
Which way are we going?
Take the brake out backwards just a little bit.
All right.
Okay,
I
brake.
was 100 pounds over yesterday. That didn't change anything.
That made it worse.
Really?
3123.
Barely on the scale over here, so
He's wrong on that one?
yeah, barely. I'm like rolling on here. Let's take him forward and then roll him back on backwards.
All the way off.
More. There we go.
Might need to go a little. Well, that's pretty good.
Okay. 3286. Yep.
That sounds right.
Okay. All right. Brakes off.
Brakes off. Thank you, guys.
Yep.
3280. That sounds much more right on the weight. That was a little scare. Which I know it shouldn't have been.
Cam T, we had 7 drivers, 3 trophies. In the 3rd spot out of Central Carolina's region in a 1980 Chevy Malibu. Let me say that again. 1980 Chevy Malibu from Spartanburg, South Carolina, Michael Chris. All right, in the 2nd spot, out of the New England region, driving a 1991 Chevy Camaro on Bridgestones from Terrell, North Carolina, Jinx Jordan. And in the top spot, out of the Old Dominion region, a 1994 Ford Mustang out of Portsmouth, Virginia, Stephen Reiner. All right, 2 more to go, I believe.
We did it. Another National Tour win. really happy with how the car performed, especially for it being the very first event of the year with no testing other than a little bit of a drive to a Cars and Coffee. ABS, we need to get some air bled out of the system. Working on trying to figure out how to try to do that with a 4Scan or my scanner. I've tried it previously and they weren't working, but got some new leads to be able to do that. Yeah, otherwise, not doing too much changes at the moment for the car. We got a local event coming up. Then I do get a little bit of a break. It's looking like in the schedule. So I did say in the ABS video that I was working on AC. So I think I will take that little bit of break, get AC put into the car. I got a box over there with some more suspension goodies that I need to figure out, but that is a bigger project. But stay tuned for that. I'm excited about that. That will, I think, really transform this front suspension even more than it already is with the double wishbone SLA that it currently has. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. We will see you in the next one. A lot of good stuff coming later.